What's up guys, Nubdub here, back with another video. So today I'm going to be installing some carbon fiber overlays in my interior from Dyna Performance. The reason why I wanted to do this was I wanted to hide some of the plastic pieces in my car. At the end of the day, even though it is a Shelby, it's still a Mustang. So they do have like some cheap plastics in the interior, and I wanted to get that covered. I also wanted to mention that I am not sponsored by Dyna Performance. I bought their products out of my own interests. I heard good things about them. I've seen some of their products that my friends have used, and honestly their carbon fiber stuff looks real good. Like I believe it's a great quality product, and the prices are really they're really competitive as well. Alright, so I don't know how well you guys can see it. This interior is pretty dark. So yeah, I want to get this center infotainment system and this plastic trim. I'm going to get that covered. So as you can see, it's like all plastic here. And then up here, see this GT350 plaque with the chassis code? Yeah, I'm going to get that piece overlaid with carbon fiber as well. I know a lot of people, they like to get this this dash piece covered with carbon fiber, but personally I actually really like how it looks right now. And I know I've heard Ford say that they designed this piece to have like the least amount of glare possible, because that can get annoying when you're tracking this car. I know Ford also does have I think it's like a $700 yeah, I think it's a $700 carbon fiber option where they actually do replace this trim piece with a carbon fiber trim. But yeah, I've heard like that part, it reflects a lot of light, so it produces a lot of glare when you're driving, and yeah, that's just not something that I want from my car. So yeah, I'm actually a really big fan of this design, and yeah, so I wanted to keep that. So yeah, so I'll just add carbon fiber on the center here and up there. Alright guys, so I just opened up the navigation piece for the carbon fiber overlay, and I gotta say, this looks amazing. The quality of this product is A1, and also I'm really impressed with the fit. I think this product is gonna fit on to this navigation piece real well. Yeah, it looks really precise. Yeah, I'm excited. This looks really nice. The pictures online and the videos online do not do this justice.
So unfortunately, my GoPro did not record the audio for the rest of my clips for this video. So I'm just going to overlay my voice over the video. So installation for this carbon fiber pieces by Dyna Performance is very straightforward. First, you want to get an alcohol wipe or any sort of like isopropyl alcohol and wipe down the surface that you're going to apply the carbon fiber on. So this helps clean up any dirt, grime, oil, things like that, dust as well. You really want to make sure you have a clean surface, because that's the best way to get the 3M tape, the 3M backing tape to stick to the surface properly. And you want to make sure that it's like on there real tight, and you want to minimize the risk of it peeling off. So yeah, make sure you clean the surface really well, get all the contact points. Once the surface has been thoroughly cleaned with the alcohol, you're now ready to stick the carbon fiber on. So I started with removing the bottom half of the navigation piece backing tape, just because those strips of carbon fiber are a little thin, and I want to make sure those are properly aligned first. One thing that I want to mention is that you want to make sure that the strip in between the screen controls and the temperature controls you want to make sure that strip is below the CD slot. You don't want to block that. It helps keep things aligned. So once the bottom half was aligned, everything else just fell into place, making it really easy to install, and I think it came out real nice. So next, I began working on installing the passenger side trim. So as usual, you want to make sure that you test fit the piece first. You don't want to cover the plaque that's on that trim, because I think that's a nice interior touch, so I'd be ashamed to cover that up. So once I got the alignment right, I began on working to get this piece installed, and this one piece is really straightforward to install, so no issues here. So here is the finished product. Honestly, I was really impressed with how it looks. As I've stated previously in this video, the shine of the carbon fiber just really catches your eye, and I think it looks really great. It's a great way to cover up the cheap plastic bits in your interior. It really makes your car look a bit more exotic than it is. I will say that I was, and this is entirely my fault, I was a little upset with how I got fingerprint smudges like all over the carbon fiber just from pressing it down while trying to get the 3M adhesive to stick. And yeah, that was entirely my fault, but the cool thing is Dyna Performance also has a carbon fiber detailer that is built for their own carbon fiber products, so I ordered that as well. And I'm just waiting for that to come in the mail, but once I receive it, I'll be making a video on how well that performs and whether it really does do what it's supposed to do, bring the shine back out for the carbon fiber and protect it as well. I do plan on adding some carbon fiber to the steering wheel trim and the door plastic bits as well, like the window controls and the door handle and things like that. So yeah, I'll save those for future videos.
Alright, and that concludes my video. So if you like what you saw, please leave a comment, like, and subscribe. Oh yeah, comment if you think that the Dyna Performance Carbon Fiber Overlays was a good mod for the car. I want to hear you guys' opinions. Would you do it on your car or not? Hope you enjoyed the video, and catch you on the next one. Peace.